How to change the color of any edit graphics in your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the color of any graphics that you have added into your Canva design. So in order to change the graphics of any Canva design, I can demonstrate to you guys that this is a blank canvas, and the next thing that we'll be doing is adding a graphics into this design. So let me go to the elements tab, and under the graphics let me add any graphic. So for example, let's say this one. And here you can see we have successfully added this particular graphic into our presentation. And now in order to change the color of this graphic, the first thing that you will need to do is simply select that particular graphic that you want to change the color. And then here you can see these three options. So these represents the color. So as here you can see, this current vehicle which is being represented here has comprised of three colors. The first one is to change the color of its body, which is symbolized by this red icon. And then there is the another one which represents its green color. And then the third one is this orange type of color or yellowish, which is represented here in this small portion. So let's say if I want to change the color of this particular car, so what I can do is simply click onto this red color since this is the body, and then from here I can choose any colors. So here are some default colors, or if I want more colors I can click onto this add a new color, and then I can define any color that I want, and the changes will be reflected in real time. So for example, let's say this color, so I can simply close it, and here you can see that the color of this graphic has been successfully changed. Similarly, you can also do this for this color as well, and from here you can choose any color. So here you can see that the window tint is getting a different shade every time I choose a new shade. So that's how you can change this color as well. So that's how easy it is to change the color of any added graphic in Canva. So if you like this video, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.